Hey everyone! If you're a trader, you know that every single trade you make comes with a cost. It's just part of the game. But what if I told you there's a way to flip that script? Today, we're going to look at how services like FAQs rebates are literally designed to turn your trading costs into a new stream of income.
So let's just start with this one. Simple idea. Seriously, think about it. What if every trade you make, win or lose, paid you back? It sounds almost too good to be true, right? But stick with me, because this is a very real thing.
Look, we all know the reality of trading. Every time you click that button, there's a cost involved. It might be the spread, it might be a commission, and these little fees, they're unavoidable. And over hundreds or thousands of trades, they add up, really nibbling away at your profits.
And this slide, well, it shows you the game-changing difference right here. On one side, you've got typical trading, where those costs just drain your account. But on the other side, with a rebate system, that flow of money gets reversed. A chunk of those costs actually comes back to you, which can boost your wins or even help cushion your losses.
So how do you actually get that money back? Well, it's something called a rebate. Here's how it works in a nutshell. These rebate services partner with brokers. When you sign up through them, the broker pays them a commission. Then they turn around and share a big piece of that commission right back with you. That's a rebate. Simple as that.
So, to put it even more plainly, a Forex rebate is just a slice of the spread or commission you are already paying your broker anyway that now gets sent right back to your pocket. It's like getting a refund on every single trade you place. And getting started? It's ridiculously easy. We're talking 3 simple steps. First, you sign up for a free account with them. Second, you connect your broker account. And yes, you can use your existing one. And third, well, that's it. You just trade like you always do, and the cashback starts rolling in automatically.
All right, that all sounds great in theory, but let's talk about what really matters, the numbers. How much are we actually talking about here? Let's look at a few of the most popular brokers they work with, because this is where things get really interesting. And wow, this table gives us a fantastic snapshot. Look at RoboForex. You get back 50% of the broker's revenue. Then there's XM with up to a massive $72 per lot. And for HFM, it's a solid $7.2 per lot. But notice the last column for all of them, daily and direct payments. That's huge. Let's break that down. That 50% figure for RoboForex, that's a true revenue share. It means for every dollar the broker makes from your spreads or commissions, they give you half of it back. It's like you've become a partner in the cost itself. Now, check this out. With a broker like XM, the model is different, and the numbers can get wild. You can earn up to $72 for every single standard lot you trade. If you're a high-volume trader, you do the math. That can turn into a serious passive income stream every month. And then you've got HFM. This one is all about consistency. A solid $7.20 back on every lot. What's great about this is the predictability. You know exactly how much you're getting back on every single trade, no matter what.
Okay, I know what you're thinking. After seeing numbers like that, the big question pops up, right? Is this for real? Can you actually trust a service that's promising to give you money back like this? Let's dig into that.
First off, let's talk about time. These guys have been around for 16 years. In the online finance world, where companies can pop up and disappear in a flash, 16 years isn't just experience, it's a massive statement about their stability and reliability. And you can see it in their history. They didn't just appear out of nowhere. They actually started way back in 2008 as a company called Pip Rebate. They've grown and evolved since then into the global service they are today. That's a long, steady track record. But you know what speaks even louder? Actual user experiences. Listen to this from Aaron Brown, who trades with XM. He says the whole thing has been smooth and rewarding. And get this part, withdrawals have been fast and transparent, typically credited within a couple of hours. Getting your money that fast, that points to a really solid operation. And here's another one from user who uses HFM. They say, money comes directly in my trading account. Cashback is highest from other websites I try. Very easy to use. So again, we're seeing these same key points pop up. Direct payments, great rates, and just super simple to use. This is the kind of feedback you love to see. So if we boil it all down, what are the standout features here? You've got automated payments, so you don't have to do a thing. You get paid on every single trade, whether it's a winner or a loser. They have a massive selection of brokers for Forex and crypto, and those withdrawals are fast with modern options like crypto and PayPal. It's the whole package. So we'll leave you with this one final thought. The system is out there, the numbers are real, and lots of traders are already taking advantage of it. The only real question left is this:
How much money could you be getting back on the trades that you are already making right now? It's definitely something to think about.